All right, hello everybody. CryptoVin here, CryptoVin YouTube channel. Thank you for watching as always. Please subscribe, like, and share. Hit that notification bell. And also, I want to say first off, don't forget to enter my free $25 Bitcoin giveaway. If you have any questions or comments, or if you have a project you want me to look into, please let me know in the comments section. All right, so today I want to talk about Bitcoin Rhodium and how to GPU mine it. So here I'm on their website, bitcoinrh.org. I'll leave that link in the description of the video. And right off the bat, they have their community, some community links here, Twitter. Join our XRC community, looks like Discord link. And this is how to be an ambassador if you're interested in that. Scrolling down, Bitcoin Rhodium is not a fork of Bitcoin. It is a new crypto asset, simple and transparent, with long-term vision for investors and scarcity to help drive its value. There will only be 2.1 million Bitcoin Rhodiums, or XRCs. That is very, very low. Some of the lowest I've ever seen. Okay, about Bitcoin Rhodium. Bitcoin Rhodium is a new crypto commodity, rare, limited, and resistant cryptocurrency to store value for the future. It is not a fork of Bitcoin. XRC uses its unique blockchain with total supply of 2.1 million XRC. It is programmed in C number language and is proof of work only. Devs are honestly and steadily developing Bitcoin Rhodium's unique solutions for investors for the long term. Bitcoin Rhodium will also join one of the anonymity spaces. So it looks like they're shooting to be a privacy coin as well. Here you can see rank 527 on CoinMarketCap. Market cap is 4.68 million. Volume here is 40,000 in trading. Here's the white paper link. You can pull that up and read that when you get a chance. I'm just going to do a brief overview. It is not a technical review of the project. Making transactions private. Our passion is to develop a crypto asset that is primarily held by investors for the long term. Bitcoin Rhodium will join one of the following anonymity spaces: CoinJoin, confidential transactions, or Mimblewimble. So they want to make their coin have some privacy features using Mimblewimble. Looks like CoinJoin. So let's read a little bit more about that. So here's a video. You can listen to that when you get a chance. Talks about their path to privacy. Their passion is to develop a cryptocurrency that is primarily held by investors for long term. We want XRC to be a niche savings account accepted by many because of both its scarcity, but also because of its community of investors who see the long-term potential in holding a very scarce coin. Since XRC is a niche savings account, we think that our development should focus on those properties. Being a customized Bitcoin-like coin allows us to build on top of its as a base to really focus on that goal. Unlike Bitcoin, we are small and nimble enough to make big decisions and encourage good practices at the very start. Looking back to what we have now, everything we have done was a conscious choice and a deliberate step towards introducing our coin to excite interest. Even as we release more of the software we have worked on, we want to approach each step with the same attention to these details, considering where we are right now, where we should be going. So when it comes to thinking about this very big topic of achieving digital freedom through the implementation of private transactions, we have to make some choices. So you can read more about that when you get a chance. I'm just doing a brief overview, like I said. Let's move on back to their homepage. Unique solutions for investors. Honest and simple reward program for investors. Earn XRC by holding XRC. Strong hands and exit aversion. Two qualities that are that set XRC investors apart from the rest. Build your stack through free participation in the Strong Hands program. You can read more about that. So it rewards proactive holders and stimulates new investment. Every 3 months you can earn 16,072 XRC distributed through rewards for every program cycle. So you buy, looks like the chart here that says if you buy, believe in us, hold or increase your BTR investment to get a piece of the 16,072 XRC per cycle. You can't get more if you spend your XRC. Only addresses with no negative movement will be rewarded. So it's almost like a staking thing. So to participate, through your wallet address will be included automatically. They take a snapshot of it. Of the individual balances will take place at the beginning and the end of every 3-month cycle. Rewards will then be automatically transferred to the addresses that managed to avoid any negative balance movement. So they take a snapshot of your wallet address at the beginning of the cycle, see how much you have, and at the end of the cycle, if you haven't moved any, they will reward you automatically. It says who is eligible. Every 3 months, rewards are dispersed among the addresses, which successfully completes the 3-month cycle with any negative movement. Timing every 3 months with a window of 2 weeks after the end of each cycle. They've started it, looks like January 1st, 2019. The first cycle ended on April 1st, 2019, and it goes on to tell you the different cycle times. You can read more about that when you get a chance. Funding, the rewards are covered from the 257,143 XRCs out of 840,000 unclaimed during the 2 airdrops. Here's an example you can check out when you get a chance, and it brings you back to the use cases. So Crypto Trinity, Bitcoin Rhodium with its use case fills the gap in the crypto market, together with BTC and LTC forms an efficient ecosystem, the Crypto Trinity that fulfills needs of most investors. You can read more about that. I'm just going to do briefly. Bitcoin Rhodium was introduced to the market environment that lacked the appeal for investors looking for a long-term investment in crypto securities. To effectively fulfill this role, one that no single cryptocurrency has managed to subsume so far. Bitcoin Rhodium's inherent qualities naturally discern it from the plethora of altcoins available on the market that lack any viable use case, but more importantly, they are the basis to a natural convergence with Bitcoin and Litecoin. The 3 coins form an efficient ecosystem that can facilitate users, investors with different needs and preferences. Where Litecoin has traditionally provided its users with primarily transactional properties, and Bitcoin still fails to find its appeal for traditional investors. Bitcoin Rhodium emerges as the natural complement to meet the demand for long-term security investments. Investment diversification, a coin that is tightly held and transparent towards its users. For these reasons, Bitcoin Rhodium represents the final piece of the puzzle, the Crypto Trinity, whose efficient coexistence satisfies the complete spectrum of investors and their diverse needs. And lastly, P2P, Bitcoin Rhodium metals market. One of the long-term priorities of Bitcoin Rhodium is to provide stakeholders in the precious metals market with a decentralized method of P2P, person-to-person exchange. Let's read more about that. In order to stimulate investment, strengthen Bitcoin's Rhodium's use case, and promote crypto acceptability, we are working on an application that will bridge the gap between crypto and traditional investments. It will facilitate a person-to-person exchange among XRC and precious metals investors through decentralized and efficient matching of supply and demand with no intermediaries. So the way I understand this, and if you have something to add, feel free to do so in the comments, is that it looks like you'll be able to buy precious metals directly from the precious metals market, or at least that's what they want to do, with no intermediaries. As you may or may not know, there is a markup when you buy from like a third-party supplier. There's a markup when you buy precious metals. So if they can eliminate that markup, you can buy the precious metals at a cheaper price. Goes back to the use cases. The community is here. Links to their social media, Bitcoin Talk. So let's swing over to Bitcoin Talk, see if they have anything extra on Bitcoin Talk. Sometimes they do. Sometimes projects do, sometimes they don't. Talks about what it is. Again, unique solutions. Talks about the rewards again. Looks like this is the Strong Hands Program ROI. You can check that out. See how much you might get. These are the exchanges it's on if you just want to buy it outright. Here are the wallets. I did the Electrum XRC Windows wallet. They have a whole bunch. Here's some mining information. Mining guides, some calculators. The GitHub links to the source code. Technical specifications. Max supply, 2.1 million coins. Open source, yes. Started October 20th, 2018. X13 algorithm. Block time is 10 minutes. 4 megabyte block size. Block reward is 2.5 XRC. Halves every 210,000 blocks. Reward after halving, 1.25 XRC. Difficulty adjustment every 2016 blocks. And that's it for their Bitcoin Talk. Let's scroll back up. Here are the wallets again, some mining information, the pools. Just for ease, for this tutorial, I'm going to be using Zerg Pool. Here's the Block Explorer. You can check that out when you get a chance. See if there's anything we want to check out here. Oh, you can check that out when you get a chance. There's the community again, the links to the social media, frequently asked questions. It's always good to check that out. Talks about what it is. Decentralized store of value cryptocurrency. And like I said before, they want to incorporate some privacy in it. It's not a Bitcoin fork, open source, launched October 20th, 2018. Why they decided to develop it. They want it to be a niche savings account accepted by many because of its scarcity, but also because of its community of investors who see the long-term potential in holding a very scarce coin. They have a link to the white paper again, the roadmap. We'll go back and check out the roadmap in a second. How does Bitcoin Rhodium differ from BTC? What is Bitcoin's Rhodium's ticker? It's XRC. Is it mineable? Yes, it is. Proof of work as a consensus mechanism. Using the X13 algorithm, like we said, they have a link to the mining guide, mining pool stats, and what to mine. How fast are their transactions? 10-minute blocks. Is it a privacy coin? So they want to, like I said, they want to incorporate some privacy features. Where can I get it? The exchanges. Here are the links. How can I get it for free? They have this Strong Hands program and a link to it. What other use cases does Bitcoin have? They talk about where to find that information. We went over it, the Crypto Trinity, and their peer-to-peer barter trading platform, Free Market One, with precious metals. Where can you store it? So there are some links for the wallets and which one you should use according to them. Here's a wallet guide. Are there any active bounty programs? Looks like they have that ambassador program at the beginning where I said you could click on the link if you want more information about that. Here's where you can find some more information about the project. And where can you check the price? So let's check that out real quick. Looks like it's $6.04 currently. It ranks 506 on CoinMarketCap. And that's going to be about it. So let's go over to, actually, let's talk about what X13 is. The algorithm they use. It's a hashing algorithm which is based on the classic X11. X13 consists of 13 different hashing functions for increased resistance to coin mining with ASIC miners. The coins that can be mined on X11 are these, and there's other ones such as Bitcoin or Rhodium. So it's resistant to ASIC miners, which is what GPU miners like us like. Let's go over to Zerg Pool. So here I have my command line, my wallet address. You're using X13, XRC is the ticker. So you want to take this command line, and you can use this command line on any pool you want to use. I'm just using it here because it's easy. This is the command line you want to use. You're just replacing whatever pool you're at. You're replacing the pool address and the port. And that's it. So I'm using ccminer on Simplemining. So let's go to group config. You drop down to ccminer. Oops, you got to add a group. Drop down to ccminer here. You can see, well, where's X13? It's not listed. Click on that. Decide which one CUDA you want to use. I use 9.1. So go here where it says show more info. And you can see what algorithms. Whoops, I think I passed it. Oh, here it is. Sorry about that. X13 right here. This is the algorithm that covers you on ccminer. And here I'm currently mining it. And here's the command line here. -A. After that, you put X13 as the algorithm you're using. And here's the mining pool address goes after -O, the port 3633, and -U. After that, you put your wallet address here, replace it. Mine's here. You want to obviously use yours. -P is just the password. You leave that empty or put X, and C equals XRC. So like I said, add a group. Go down to ccminer, whichever one you want to use or can use. And obviously you want to put the command line here. And group name, like I said before in my other videos, I usually put the name of the project, group description, the pool, and ccminer version 9.1 in there. So let's go to rig list. You can see I'm currently mining it. I'm just using my Equihash overclock settings right now. And you can see I'm getting shares. Yes, 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 yes. And so that's going to be it. One more thing. It looks like I'm getting 38.77 mega hashes. So that's going to be it for today. I hope this helps. If you're interested in mining Bitcoin Rhodium, let me know. Are you mining it? Have you mined it before? What do you think of the project? Let me know in the comments section. Also, if you want me to look into a project to mine, let me know. Or if there's something else you want me to look into in terms of cryptocurrency, let me know in the comments section. And please subscribe, like, and share. I'd appreciate that. Welcome new subscribers, and I appreciate my first subscribers, and I appreciate all my subscribers. So thank you very much. And also, don't forget to enter my Bitcoin giveaway, $25. You can find the information in that video on my YouTube site. Please feel free to enter. It's free. So until next time, I appreciate it. Thanks again for watching.